Hi everyone and welcome back. I hope you all have been doing great and enjoying this new fall season. I'm really happy fall is here. It's one of my favorite seasons because I love the cooler weather, the change of colors in the leaves, and simply because of all the cozy vibes fall brings. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to give a small space in your home a makeover and give it a wow factor. If you have a small space in your home that needs an upgrade or you aren't sure how to decorate, then this video is for you. Hopefully it inspires you or someone that you know that is in need of help to decorate a small space. Now let's go ahead and get started. I'm very excited and honored to say this video is sponsored by Lamps Plus. You guys know how much I rave about Lamps Plus all of the time in many of my videos because I truly love their products. All of the lighting in my home is from Lamps Plus, and I've even purchased furniture from them that I absolutely love. This stunning chandelier is called the ESSA 24-inch wide chrome and crystal pendant light. Lamps Plus offers so much more than just light fixtures. That includes furniture, home decor accessories, outdoor furniture, and so much more to decorate your home. This next piece right here is one of their beautiful mirrored buffets. It's called the Elizabeth 60-inch wide 4-door silver mirrored buffet cabinet. I love the amazing quality and unique design all of the Lamps Plus products have, you guys. I believe in quality over quantity and I 100% recommend this company. This mirrored buffet was wrapped so good that it arrived without a scratch from across the country. That really goes to show how well packaged these items are, and that alone means a lot to me. It definitely shows how Lamps Plus works hard to make sure you receive your package in one piece. I'm going to be giving my sitting area in my bedroom a makeover. This kitchen nook area is an addition that came with our home, and it actually has the same space as in my bedroom. So I decided to decorate this kitchen nook with all of the items now because the wainscoting paint isn't finished just yet, so I just wanted to give you guys a full look how it's going to look when completed. On each side of the mirrored buffet, I placed 2 silver alligator wingback armchairs, and here's a close-up look at the detail of the print on the chairs. For this sitting area, we definitely need a place to sit our water, decor, or snacks, so when I saw these acrylic and chrome end tables, I knew they were perfect for this space. I wanted to show you a quick unboxing for one of the tables, and as you can see, it's all packaged very well to make sure no damage occurs in transit. I placed 2 of these acrylic side tables on each end of the chairs, and then I placed an acrylic coffee table in between. Here's a close-up of the design and acrylic tables. They're very easy to move around and lift, and yet at the same time they're very well built and strong to hold my items. The tops are made of glass, so I'm going to make sure not to place anything with too much weight on top. Let me know in the comments if you guys feel the same way, but for me, my favorite part about completing a room and seeing it all come together is adding accessories for the cherry on top. I made these wall arts not too long ago, and I'll be placing them above the 2 silver wingback chairs on the wall. If you guys want to see me paint more of these canvases, let me know in the comments so I know to film them when I make these, that way I can share the steps with you all. Here's how my sitting area turned out. This is how it's going to look like upstairs in my bedroom, and I can't wait to share the wainscoting and paint done up there so it can look like this area here. You will see I styled this space with 2 different rugs and would love to know which one you like better for this space. The first rug or second you will see here shortly. Remember to check the description box for all the links to the furniture and crystal chandelier you see here. A huge thank you to Lamps Plus for sponsoring today's video. I love the way my new sitting area turned out. These pieces are elegant, high quality, and timeless. If you guys didn't already know, Lamps Plus has a YouTube channel, and I'll leave their channel linked below in the description box. I will also leave their website lampsplus.com in the description box. There's so many beautiful pieces that has something for everybody. I'm sure many of you all are going to love Lamps Plus just as much as I do. Thank you to everybody for being here. I hope you enjoyed and were inspired to make that small space in your home that wow factor. I can't wait to share my next video with you guys. Have an amazing rest of your day.